So you wouldn't say it by my very young looking looks, but I already turned 40 last week, and yes, I bought myself a little Black Friday birthday gift, and I bought myself a drone. So very happy with that. Hopefully I can make this channel a little bit smoother with some nice images of it. So I was out last Sunday with my friend Walter and another friend, and yeah, we had kind of the same conditions, just grey and nothing spectacular. And I don't even think that footage is gonna make it to YouTube. So if there's anything good from that video, let's look at that right now, because that's gonna be right the same kind of day as today. So if there's any good images from that session, then I'll show them to you now. So I found a rather nice composition here. I'll show you in the back here. There's a path running with a little hill in it to the back. There are some leaves laying on it, so that's pretty nice. And I screwed on the polarizer so I can really pop up these yellow and orange colors here. So I've put the road in the left bottom of the frame, and then it leads your eye into the background. And I'll try to show you the composition on the back here. You can see there's a road leading into the background, and there's a couple of trees on the left. There's one straight tree on the right, and I just like these trees on this side, and I'm just trying to cut off the horizon here so that there's no horizon in the back. So hopefully I can pop this image a little bit on the computer screen. So I'm just taking it at f8. And then I don't mind if the background is a little bit blurry, because yeah, there's a little bit of a haze, and yeah, the road disappears into the background. So if that's completely sharp, it wouldn't be as nice, I think. So yeah, I think a nice shot in the pocket, a couple of nice drone shots, this shot. So yeah, let's see if we can find some more images here. So I found a nice composition here. There's a nice fence going through the forest here with some nice trees on the left. And it's actually pretty hard to position this composition. So let me try to show you on the back of this camera. So this is the shot. You can see the fence walking in an S-curve through the flame. I'm just, if I go up a little bit higher, the midground just is a little bit boring, so that's why I'm getting a little bit down, and I'm just trying to make sure that this fence isn't intersecting with those trees right next to this white tree. So I'm just taking it at f8. I can easily hold it in my hands with image stabilization. So hopefully this shot will work out. So that was last Sunday, and directly after that video, or that day, the day after, I got pretty sick, and I was in bed for a couple of days, and yeah, I'm back out again, and yeah, hopefully we can find something today. There is a little bit more atmosphere, a little bit more haze, so it's going to be difficult, but if you never try, then you never know. So my friend Walter texted me yesterday if I wanted to come to a place he found online, and it was about 2 hours to drive from me to the north, and he lives pretty far north from me, so for him it was a lot shorter. And I was like, nah, I wasn't feeling too good this week, so I'm gonna stay a little bit closer to home. So I drove south. Bad decision, but he just texted me some images from today. Oh, look at this. Look at those colors and those. It is a drone shot, but it's just really beautiful. So maybe I should listen to him next time. But I'm not giving up on today. I'm not giving up yet. So I'm gonna go to that tower where I've been before, and hopefully it's gonna work out. So I actually found half a decent shot here. So let me show you this. There's a tree on this side here, and there's just one branch hanging straight above this path, and the background is a little bit hazy, so it disappears a bit. And I think I took this shot before, about a year ago, but it was on a clear day, so it wasn't as good. But yeah, I might turn this into a black and white or something, but it just has a nice composition to it. Let's keep it like that. And I just held the camera up as high as possible to, yeah, if I get it on eye height like this, if I'm just shooting it like this, then the tree line in the back is exactly in the center of the frame, and I don't like that. So I just try to put the camera up like this, and then point it down a little bit, so you get a little bit more of the path and a little bit less of this tree line in the back. So that's actually what I try to do, and yeah, let's hope that this shot works out fine. So first shot, so let's move on, and it looks like we're gonna have some light, or at least some colors in those skies, so let's keep the fingers crossed. Oh yeah, that's nice. Well, I actually already moved down from the tower because I thought, there's nothing to shoot up here. But when I got down, I noticed a couple of trees there that were pretty interesting. And yeah, the only thing was that the treetops were on the horizon. So the only thing I thought, oh, I need some altitude. And then I looked up and I thought, I'm still right above the top of this, underneath the top of this tower. And yeah, I'm actually, my back is still down there, as you can see. So yeah, I'm walking back up here. And I'm just trying to frame this up. There's just a couple of trees, and because of this haze, these trees are all disappearing into the background. So I've just put up the polarizer to increase that that color contrast in this picture, because else it's going to be a little bit of a flat image, I think. And yeah, overexposing it a little bit to increase that haze. It's just a really nice yeah, set of trees, I think. So it would have been better if I could have moved about a meter to this side, but I don't know, man. I just like it. So this is the shot that I'm just taking. So there's actually one problem when you come to an area like this, where I've been a lot of times, and it doesn't matter what area it is, but if you come there a lot of times and you've got conditions like this, then you're looking around and you're thinking, oh, that's nice, but I got a better shot of that, and oh, I got a better shot of that. So it just it reduces your creativity on a day like this. And of course I was expecting different conditions. But on a day like this, it's just, I think it's better to go to a place that you haven't seen before, where you can wander around and just breathe in that environment and let it come to you. And right now I'm just walking around like, no, that's not it, and that's not it. I'm not open-minded enough. It's quite difficult, actually. So I'm glad I actually got that shot, because I didn't notice that before. But yeah, I know I shouldn't complain about foggy atmospheric mornings, but I might be having too much of those. Just give me some give me some light. And I know I shouldn't complain about this, because there are people that don't have any fog where they live, but I might be having a little bit too much of it lately. If I look at my videos from about the last half year, I think more than 3/4 of the videos have foggy or atmospheric conditions. So yeah, I'm happy with it, absolutely. But I would like something different for once. So it might happen next week, because next week they predict some snow. And not normal snow, heavy snow. 5 days in a row with snowy conditions expected. But they predicted blue skies today. So weather in the Netherlands can't be predicted. So I think this will be the end of today's video. Definitely not my best work in this video, especially not from this area. But yeah, this is how it goes with nature photography sometimes, you know. Sometimes you get stunning conditions, and sometimes you just get a great day. And actually two, because last Sunday was quite similar to this. But if you get a day where it all comes together, then it's so worth it. And if every day works out perfectly, then there wouldn't be much fun in it. So it's actually quite nice to have a struggle sometimes, and to not have these epic conditions yeah, every time you go out. So yeah, well, thank you for watching. Hopefully next week we'll have some snow. That would be really nice, and something different for a while. So yeah, I think this is it for today. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video, even without some cracking images in it. So if you liked it, then please push the subscribe button down here and the thumbs up button. And hopefully I will see you on the next video. So see you next time. Bye for now.